why don't you try make gaming subtitle tutorial? Oh, you can't do that? No, I'm not gonna spend weeks of my life making a YouTube tutorial just because of a Discord comment. I'm gonna be the mature man in here. Ty, you think you want me to get away with it? You stupid little piece of shit. No, Rom, you need to be the bigger man and not go to his level. Haha, already did. So I might have ended up releasing the tutorial. So to create gaming subtitles, we will need... And that's when Rom realized he's a dumb piece of shit and has no idea how to make gaming subtitles. Luckily for us, we have some actual smart people like Molin Guides, so we're gonna follow his tutorial video. And when I say follow, I mean roses are red, violets are blue, and I'll just go ahead and borrow this from you. Yoink! So make sure to check out Molin's channel, he has some fantastic tutorials. Very cool. So the first thing we'll do is open up Davinci. Let's say you already have your gameplay that you're happy with.
Oh no, change to the fucking
Left click
pistol.
shooting, right?
No,
Left
wait
click shooting.
1 second.
Left click shooting!
What?
Please, Rom, I did what you asked. I recorded your gaming video. Please release my...
Shut the fuck up, you stupid bitch! Alrighty, time to create gaming subtitles. That's really quick and easy. You just press that button and... Okay, so creating gaming subtitles is actually not that easy. Luckily for you, you have me. And I could be the president if I wanted. Hey, that's actually a pretty good idea. Whoa, I can't believe I never saw that button before. But I could become M if I press it? Well... I guess I'm the president now. Thanks everybody, thank you so much, every one of you. I really... Why don't you shut the fuck up and start teaching? Are you little dickhead?
Glad you asked that because I wanted to take this time to explain my evil plan.
So like I said, let's say you already have your gameplay ready to go. Then go into effects, titles, and add the text plus. Now the first thing we'll do is go into shading, shut the fuck up, I don't know how it's called. Just go into there, then select the element number 2 and enable it. Now scroll down until you see color and change the color to what you like. I'll go with black. I'm not racist or anything. And then press OK. What I will do right now is bring the thickness up and then go into softness and bring the X and Y up as well. Go back into the text section and change the text to what you want it to be. Change the font to what you like and then just change it to extra bold. Now let's add that pop-up effect. You know the one I'm talking about. First go into settings right here and take a keyframe on the zoom variable. Now go 2 frames forward and change it to 1.2. Then go another 2 frames forward and drag it down a bit. And that's it, you have the pop-up effect. Now in my case I'll need to duplicate the text a few times. And duplicating is pretty easy. Just press Alt plus left click and drag it forward. And that's it. It's time for tracking. And tracking is pretty quick and easy, but there are a lot of ways to track. Now I'm gonna teach you my way that I take myself over the years. It's probably not the best way, but it's my way, so deal with it. Go back into settings and use the position variable to position the text where you would like it to be. I think that's fine. And now go to the beginning of the text and take a keyframe on the position variable. Then go a few frames forward and keep positioning them in the same place. And now just repeat the same process with the other text and that's what you get.
Oh no.
That's tracking for you. Now I'm pretty sure you have all you need to start making gaming subtitles like a pro. But yeah, for now, take a look at the finished result.
Oh no, change to the fucking
Left
pistol.
click shooting, right?
No,
Left click
wait
shooting.
1 second.
Left
No.
click shooting! Shut the fuck up! Everybody's dead! I'm the one who's winning!
Guys, I just wanted to say that you could get some free text presets in my Discord server. Oh, you haven't already joined my Discord server? You little bitch? Shut the fuck up! And you go ahead and join up. The link is in the description. It's a great server. That's it. Please give me videos ideas, not have any. And like and subscribe. Yes, subscribe is important, bitches. Bye.